Dear friends, welcome to Ranga Mathematics YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic mode. Already we discussed mean, median. In this video, we are going to discuss mode. These videos made for only those who are all preparing TRB Polytechnic Engineering. Now mode. What is mode? The mode or modal value for a distribution is that values of the variate which has maximum frequency. That is, the data value which is repeated maximum number of times is mode. Which the numbers, the datas, which data is repeated maximum number of times is mode. Now, mode for raw data. For an individual data mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. For example, what is mode? The votes obtained by 3 candidates in an election are as follows. நம்ம எலெக்ஷன் வச்சு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சிம்பிளா மோடுனா என்னன்றதை நம்ம பார்த்துடலாம். ஒரு 3 கேண்டிடேட்ஸ் எலெக்ஷனில் போட்டியிடுறாங்க. அதில் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் மிஸ்டர் எக்ஸ், மிஸ்டர் ஒய், மிஸ்டர் இஜெட் இப்படி வச்சுக்கலாம். மிஸ்டர் எக்ஸ் அவருக்கான ஓட்டு 4 lakhsன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். மிஸ்டர் ஒய் அவருக்கான ஓட் 9 lakhsன்னு வச்சுக்குவோம். மிஸ்டர் இஜெட் அவருக்கான ஓட் 7 lakhsன்னு வச்சுக்குவோம். இப்போது யார் மேக்ஸிமம் வாங்குகிறாங்களோ அவங்க தான் வின்னர். we know very well who will be declared as the winner. இப்போ யார் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணப்படுவாங்க அப்படின்னா அதிகமாக யார் வாங்குகிறாங்களோ அவங்க தான். here x is 4 lakhs, y is 9 lakhs, z is 7 lakhs. so 9 lakhs யார் வாங்கியிருக்கிறா? y. so Mr. Y will be the winner because the number of votes secured by him is the highest among the 3 candidates. Of course, the votes of Mr. Y do not represent the majority population because there are more votes against him. However, he is declared winner because the mode of the selection here depends on the highest among the candidate. Right? Now, for example, next example, for raw data, in a rice mill, 7 laborers are receiving the daily wages of 500, 600, 600, 800, 800, 800 and 1000. Find the modal wages. Mode means we know very well the data value which is repeated maximum number of times is mode. Here the daily wages of 500, 600, 600, 800, 800, 800, 1000. 800 is occurring more times. Most frequently 800, 800, 800 3 times. 800 is occurred 3 times. Therefore here the mode wages, the mode is 800. Mode is 800. Mode is 800. Mode is 800. Right? Next. Go to the next example. Find the mode for the set of values 17, 18, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22. Here 17 occur single time, 18 occur single time, 20 2 times, 21 2 times, 22 2 times. Right? Therefore here 20 is 2 times. So mode is equal to 20. 21 also occurred 2 times. 21 also mode. 22 also occurs 2 times. 22 also mode. Here we having 3 modes. We having 3 modal values. Now see the result. See the result. A distribution having only one mode means, which is called unimodal. A distribution having two modes means, two modes is bimodal. It is called a bimodal. A distribution having three modes is trimodal. More than three modes is multimodal. More than three modes is multimodal. Right? Here the previous example mode is three modes, so trimodals. It is called trimodals. Now mode for ungrouped frequency distribution. In ungrouped frequency distribution, the value of the item having maximum frequency is taken as the mode. Now see the example. For example, a set of numbers consists of 5 4s, 4 5s, 9 6 and 6 9s. What is the mode? Now see that, for example, x and corresponding frequency f. Now see that 5 4s, 5 times 4s. Next 4 5s, 4 times 5s. 9 6, 9 times 6 and 6 times 9s. Now see that 6 occurs 9 times. Therefore as per definition, mode is equal to 6. 6 only occurs 9 times, right? Which is the size, which is the number of frequency, number of times. Next problem 1. Mode of 2 4 5 4 6 4 6 7 8. What is the mode? The options are given. Now see that 2 occurring single times, 4 occurring 3 times. 4 4 4, right? 4 occurring 3 times. 5 occur single time, 6 occur 2 times, 7 occur 1 times, 8 occur 1 times. Therefore 4 is the most frequently occurred. Therefore mode is 4. Mode is 4. Next problem. Mode of 22, 25, 21, 22, 29, 25, 34, 37, 30, 22, 29, 25. Now what is the mode? Now see that 22 occur, 22, next 22, next where 22, 2 times 22, 22, 2 times 22. Next 25 occurs single time, 2 times, next 3 times. So 22 occurs 2 times. Next 3 times 25. 3 times 22 occurs. 3 times 25 occurs. Next 21 single time. 29 2 times. 29 25. Next 37 single time, 30 single time. Therefore what is the mode? Mode is equal to we having bimodal 22 and 25 modes occurs. Therefore the option C is correct. Go to the next problem 3. Mode of 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 is. What is the mode? 15 occurs single time, 25 occurs single time, 35, 45, 55, 65. All the data are occur single time. Therefore here there is no mode. Now find the data. 11, 15, 17, x plus 1, 19, x minus 2, 3. If the mean is 14, find the value of x and mode, which is different problem. So the data are given and mean is given. That is, we know what is given data, mean is given. Mean already we studied, x bar value is mean. Mean is 14. What is the x bar value? Summation x divided by n is equal to 14. Summation x, sum of all observations. The given observations are 11 plus 15 plus 17 plus x plus 1 plus 19 plus x minus 2 plus 3. plus 3 divided by number of items, number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times is equal to 14. Is equal to 14. Now sum of these values. Now sum of these values. What we get? Sum of these values 11 plus 15 plus 17 plus 1 plus 19 plus minus 2 plus which is 64 plus 2 times x is equal to, now multiply denominator c into right hand side 14. 7 into 14, what is 7 into 14? 98. 98. Now we need the x first. 98 minus 64. 98 minus 64 is equal to 30. 98 minus 64 is equal to 34. Is equal to 34. 2x is equal to 34. Therefore x is equal to 17. Now we having x is equal to 17. The question first one is x value 17 and what is mode? Now substituting, so 17 means substitute 17 plus 1 18. 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. Now see the mode value. What is the mode? 11 occurs single times, 15 occurs 15 occurs 2 times. Therefore mode value here, mode is, what is mode is 15. Mode is 15. So the option 17, x value 17, mode is 15, which is the correct. Right. Go to the next. Grouped frequency distribution for continuous, that is continuous. What is the formula for grouped frequency distribution? Mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 over 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into I. L means lower limit of the model class, Fm is frequency of the model class, F1 is frequency of the class preceding of the model class, F2 is frequency of the class succeeding, I is the width of the class interval, that is interval space. Now the problem, find the mode of the following. Find the mode of the following data, marks and number of students given 1 to 5, 6 to 10, like this, which is not a continuous. Continuous means, so that is 1 to 5, 5 should start next interval. Here 5 not started in next interval, therefore which is not a continuous. So we have to make it as a continuous interval. For making a continuous interval மாத்துறதுக்காக இங்க ஒரு procedure follow பண்ணிக்கணும். That procedure convert discrete, which is discrete, இது continuous கிடையாது. அப்ப continuous discrete change பண்றதுக்கு convert discrete class interval into continuous class interval. For doing this, subtract 0.5 to the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit of each case. Lower limit la 0.5 ஆல subtract பண்ணுங்க, upper limit la 0.5 add பண்ணுங்க. Right. Now this is equal to, now x, marks x, frequency, number of students f, the interval 1 to 5, 1 la 0.5 subtract பண்ணுங்க 0.5, 5 la 0.5 add பண்ணுங்க 5.5. next 6 minus 0.5, 5.5. 6 minus 0.5, 10 plus 0.5, 10.5. Next 10.5 minus 15.5. Next 15.5 minus 20.5. Next 20.5 minus 25.5. இதெல்லாம் convert பண்ணியாச்சு. Now the values. So இது x values. Now f is 7, 10, 16, 32 and 24 is the x and y. Now in this, most frequency value, maximum frequency value 32, maximum frequency value 32. Therefore 32 is the fm value, maximum frequency. So corresponding interval 15.5 is lower interval. 15.5 is lower interval. 20.5 next. So 20.5 20.5 lower interval is this preceding and succeeding. Preceding and succeeding. F value and F1 value we need to find preceding, which is the preceding value, which is succeeding value. Therefore from data we know the formula mod is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into I. Right? Now substitute. What is the lower limit value? What is the lower limit? L is equal to 15.5 plus Fm. Fm value 32 minus F1 value 16. F1 value preceding value 16 over 2 into Fm, 2 into 32 minus F1 value 16 minus F2 succeeding value F2, which is F2, which is the F2 value into I. Class interval gap, interval space is 0.5, 5.5 minus 0.5 is 5. Interval space I is 5. Right? Now on simplification, 15.5 plus 32 minus 16, 16, 2 into 32, 64 minus 16 minus here 24, 16 minus 24, 64 minus 16 minus 24, 40. So we will get 24 into 5. And simplification, finally 15.5 plus with this value 3.33. Finally 18.83. So the option 18.33 is correct. Right? Okay guys. On next video we can discuss about the relation between mean, median, mode. Right? If you like this video, kindly like and share this video. Thank you.